gonna be an unboxing video. As you can see, we have Gaianon G2, you can call it Giga Gaianon G2, also called it Gigant Gaia, but I'm gonna call it Giga Gaianon anyways. So we are gonna do this unboxing today. It's Giga Gaianon, as everyone can see. We got the string launcher with the grip holder with us. So at the back, we got the parts. We got Giga Gaianon G2 or Gigant Gaia. We got Echo disc plus the Quake driver. Okay, we got the Quake driver over there. We got the Quake driver. Okay. And also, it comes with stickers. So, we come with stickers. And also, if you don't know how to put the stickers, they're given a picture over here. You can follow that and put the stickers in the right order. So first, let's unbox this thing. I'm so excited. This is the first. Whoa! I'm just so excited. Whoa, okay. Oh man. Wow. Okay. The first thing we're gonna look at is the bay itself. We got Giga Gaianon over here. I'm gonna discuss the parts a bit later. First, let's unbox the bit of stuff. We got the string launcher. Okay, we got the string launcher. That's the grip holder. Okay. Let's see. Okay, nice. Okay, let's put everything away for now and let's concentrate at the bait. So yes, let me put this back part. There you go. Nice. And first we have the layer that's Gigant Gaia Giga Gaianon G2. See that? That's so cool. See that? I like this part the most. This part is like the best part for now. It's the best. Like, it's so nice when it spins. It looks like when it spins right in the stadium. It's like when it goes, it just hits it very hard. And it's like bursts it. Like in the anime, it's not like that. In the anime, it looks like Gabe Brunei. Everyone knows Gabe Brunei. We had the photo, we had the picture over here. Gabe Brunei is the owner of Giga Gaianon. And also you know him as the captain of Team Whiteout in the team battles. Okay, the next part we have is the Echo disc. Looks nice. The Echo disc, see that? Nice. Okay, the next part we have is the Quake driver. And also, it's a mode driver. I can change the mode, see? I can change the mode. I put in defense by now. Okay. So, let's put the backs together. Oh, yeah. Come on. Yeah, there you are. We got Giga Gaianon G2. Let's look at the string launcher for a while. Let's see that. Whoa, nice. Lazy well. The grip holder is nice too. Okay, let's try to connect this. There you go. Yeah, just do this. Okay. Let's bring the stadium up. And let's do some test launches. But I almost forgot, we also come with stickers. This is the only thing. It comes with stickers. So, as I said, we have the picture back. So I'm going to follow that and put the stickers in the right order. So after that, let's do some test launches. So this is how I put the stickers now. So let's do some test launches. Let me put this page together first. So before doing the test launches, I want to tell you so this string launcher, I can put it like this. And if you see in the anime, Shukuranai holds this launcher like this. Its launcher is like this, sleeping. And if you see our Giga Gaianon's owner, Gabe Brunei, he holds the launcher like this and pulls it, okay? So in the stadium, when you're going to do the test launches, I'm going to do with the normal launcher like this, then like this, and then last, I'm going to do like this. And with everyone, I'm going to change the modes again and again. So We'll see how it goes. So as said, I'm gonna use like this first. Let's do this. Okay. Let's do this. Okay. 3, 2, 1, let it! Okay, it's in defense mode. Looks nice. It's just chilling out in the middle. Chilling in the middle, nice. Nice. Only chilling it up in the middle. Let's do the swing counter. If it's not anime, it's the move. Okay, wobbling. Okay, nice. No clicks, okay. I'm gonna change the mode. To the almost balance mode. Also, I forgot to tell you, it's a balance type Beyblade. So I'm gonna keep it balance mode. 3, 2, 1, let it! Wow, wow, wow. Attacking. There's no opponent. And also, it doesn't look like it has stamina a lot in balance mode. Yeah, it's running out of stamina. Okay, 2 launches like that. Let's try like this. Let me change the mode. Let's try the defense again. I'm gonna try the defense in the balance again. Anyways, let's do 3, 2, 1. Wait a minute, it came out. Let's do this again. 3, 2, 1. Let it rip! Nice. Chilling out in the middle. That's what we call defense. That's what we call defense, bruh. Chilling out in the middle. Okay. Let's try the balance mode. I'm gonna do balance mode. Wait, hey. Thought you broke. Okay. 3, 2, 1, let it! Wow, nice attack. That was a nice attack. You can see the showdown is nice attacks. Chilling. Okay. Ah, it gave 1 click. It gave 1 click already. Nice. The last position I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put it in balance mode now. 3, 2, 1, let it! Woo! Chilling. Nice. It gave 1 click again. The last test launch. The last test launch for the video is defense. And chilling out again. Okay. So that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like this video, subscribe this video, means the channel. Let's get some views. Let's get